Hi YouTube, this is Crafty Kim Creates here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Hopefully if you are new here, you would hit that like and also subscribe so that you can see all my future videos that I will be uploading. So today I want to share with you guys another gingerbread creation. I'm like in gingerbread madness mode, and yeah, so I made this cute little guy. I wonder if you can guess what he is or what's his function. We are in the bathroom, so it has something to do with the bathroom, and as you probably saw in the title, this is a toilet tissue cover. So his body is a toilet tissue roll. So you could have him with his feet like that, his legs, you could cross his legs, and also you could have him sit on the edge where his feet hang down. So I really like the way it came out. This is one of the first ones that I tried. He is the prototype, and I'm really liking the way it came out. And I don't like putting Christmas hats, but he has a Christmas hat. So I have it sticking out like that, but it also can be, sorry, a little black paint got on it, and I have to wipe that off, but you could also have it like glued down to the side, but I think it looks cute just sticking out like that. So yeah, he could sit on the edge, or you can just have him sitting down with his legs crossed or straight. I think he came out so cute, and look at that adorable face. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, hopefully you guys will leave a comment and let me know what you think about this little cutie. I will be uploading and listing this little cutie in my Etsy shop, Heavenly Treats for You. The Crafty Kim shop is no longer active. I mean, it's still open, but I haven't been really posting anything there. And so I've been using my new shop, Heavenly Treats, number 4, letter U. So please go down and check out my Etsy shop. Hopefully you'll find something that you like. And yeah, so please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.